Welcome back. In this video, we are going to do some practice examples. So why you need to do practice examples? So once you do these practice examples, you know how to analyze the code. Once you understand how to analyze the code, then writing the code is very, very easy. So that's why doing these practice examples and the quizzes which we are going to place in our website www.wisdomers.in. So go there, take the Python for Beginners course, and there you complete the quizzes. So quizzes also we are going to check your coding analysis. So once you have done that quizzes, it's very, very easy to write the code. So that's why doing it in the beginning is very, very important for writing better coding. So now come to the practice examples. So we are going to explain one, and the remaining 4 questions you have to write the answers, put it in the comment. Definitely in these 4 options you have to get a question. You have to get some doubts. That is how these questions are made. Definitely you have to get a doubt. If you don't get a doubt, you are not in proper understanding of the programming. So let's try to understand. X equal to 25, Y is equal to 15, Z is equal to 50, A equal to 5, B equal to 1. Print, as of now, up to now, we don't know how to use brackets. But these examples are completely based on brackets. Brackets has been provided. How these are executed, analyze them. So coming to first one, open brackets, open bracket, open bracket, A multiplied by 2, closed bracket. So first this operation is going to be done. A multiplied by 2, 2 ones are 2, A is 1, A is 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 less than Z. Yes, 50, Z is 50, 10 less than 50, yes. Whenever this comparison operator has been done, 10 less than 50, it is true. So the output that you got here is true. Now this is going to be AND with, and B equal to 0. What is B? 1. 1 equal to 0, false. True and false, you are going to get false. Or X equal to 25. 25 equal to 25, true. False or true, you are going to get true. So finally, this print statement is going to display true value. Like that, you keep analyzing the remaining print statements, and put it in the comment what's the output is. Hope you understand why it's very important practice examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.